This your creation?
Me and my sons.
You and your sons.
Yeah.
Very cool.
He dreamed it. I had to make it work. It got the Civil War bayonets are actually the door handles.
Clever.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have boys too. I understand that.
Because I'm retired, so he's like, you got all the time in the world. This is what I want done. Figure it out. Okay.
What kind of engine?
454, big block Chevy.
Of course.
Fuel tanks. There's the gas gauge.
Oh,
Nice.
That's clever. That's wonderful.
And then the headache here, that's a 100-year-old headboard.
Nice.
Good. From 1817. Yeah, we bought a microwave, poured parts, and did all that. So that was actually burning there with microwave. Oh, really? Yeah. Transition out, hardwired it, drive some nails in there, you basically put it in water.
454 Chevy engine.
I have something to say about how we tooled this thing up. It's an awful luxurious steering wheel for that thing.
It's a golf cart steering wheel.
Is it really?
Yes.
That's fun.
My son is like 300 pounds. And when he sat in there with the other steering wheel, his 300 pounds. Yeah. That's what everybody looks at me and they look at him and go, where do you get